Hello, it's Jenny, and today we're going to be taking one concept and creating it with 3 different mediums of art. Mediums are going to be photography, illustration, and a surprise. I'm going to walk you through my process, especially because there's a bit of a difference between the brainstorming and execution process of photography versus illustration, even though it's being done entirely by one person. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so it is now nighttime and I'm going to do some brainstorming for about 20 minutes to see what idea I want to create, and then I think I'll sketch out the idea. Japanese photography. Oh, I like the CDs. I think that could be fun. Oh, another one with CDs. It's a sign. Winter Japanese photography. Winter photography. Ghibli winter. Yeah, a lot of these require me to have very elaborate sets. High fashion winter. Okay, this was a mistake. Okay, another good place to search is theater sets. Theater set. Design winter. Wow, I'm kind of struggling today. What else can I search? Like winter fine art? Snow fine art. Snow conceptual photography. Okay, I'm getting so distracted. I'm just looking at nice... Oh, this is interesting. Okay, I'm gonna stop brainstorming. I'm essentially just procrastinating. I've decided I would like to do something with CDs. Put up CD photography. No. Okay, I'm gonna do something about CDs and I'm going to sketch something out and see what I'm gonna do. So it is the second day now and I'm in a different outfit because we're gonna do our second medium, art medium, which is gonna be photography. We are just going to wing it. The lighting today is... it's so nice outside. Look at the ground. When I was 16, I painted this and I haven't gone that much much better since. Okay, this is embarrassing.
I don't know if I ever felt like this before, but I'm sure that the way I feel, I don't want it to go. Cause I cry myself tears, and I sing myself blues, but to keep you here, I do what I got to do. So baby, roll on me. What I did all night, I never leave. You like to be alone, come anywhere you want. Baby, just pick up the phone and call me. You know, see there you go. See there you go.
I got some pretty good photos, but they're all kind of in the same pose. So I want to get something slightly different because we want variety and I want to give good content. Ta-da! Oh my god, this looks so cool. If I zoom in, oh my god. I'm gonna call it a day. I've been at it for 2 hours. Lots to clean up. I'm going to import the pictures in and start editing them, and then I can show you the results. I think I could have been a little bit better with the poses I did, and I really like the way that I did the colors, so I'm excited. The first thing I did was the drawing, so I'm going to show you that. I am reasonably proud of it. I think I drew the CDs really well. I also like the way that I did the dress, although now that I'm looking at it, I feel like her face is like slightly, the offset is slightly off, her face. I'm also not a fan of the way I did the bar. That's not how like a metal rod would actually reflect in real life, but clearly I got lazy. I think that the eye makeup was fun, and I also like the hairstyle I drew. So overall I'm like pretty happy about it, and in terms of the theme, there are CDs in it, but I think I could have been more creative with what I was doing with the CDs. Like she's literally just holding 2 CDs, which is fine. And another thing is, I mean, yeah, that's not really a hand. So moving on. Okay, so the first photo, I don't know, I just think that it looks really dreamy, really soft, and I really like how many colors there are in here. Like it looks cool, and I like all the rainbows. And moving on. So I like this one because it makes me look good, but also I like how moody it is. I like how warm it is, although I did edit it to be warm. I wish that the focal point was on my earring, and my third choice is this one. I don't think I look the best in this picture, but I think the framing was spot on. Like I really managed to get that circle like right around my eye. And there's like a whole rainbow effect on my face. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. I really like this one. I think the lighting looks really cool. And then I also got purple here on my eye. But what I don't like is that, you know, I didn't prep my living room at all. And you can see all this like random stuff in the background. Like I could go in and edit it, but whatever. So I like this one because the glow is on my eye. It's like right there. Like I couldn't have asked for a better spot for it to glow. I like this one because it's very soft. It looks like
a solo K-pop artist's ballad album cover.
Think I look okay. I look okay in it, so yeah. And then finally, I think this is really cute. I think the CD is framed really nicely. I think the reflection looks really cool, but it's not impressive. So that's why it's in the runner-up. I think that the drawing did it better. So like, I think the photos made use of CDs, but you couldn't really see the CDs for most of the pictures. Whereas the drawing made like a conscious effort to incorporate CDs into the theme, even though it wasn't very deep. I could have done better, I think. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the results. And yeah, I hope you liked the process, the photos or the drawing, the time lapses. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to create more things more often than once a year, and I will see you next time.